When I was in here in August, the water was about, I guess about 10 inches higher. You see the sign of the water level? This is just a sign of drought, but this is special habitat.
You'd have salamanders.
Yeah, I would assume so. I need to get Andy or somebody like him to come here and do their thing in the water. And you see the high bank over there?
Yep.
So not this trail, but I want to bring a trail down to there, and maybe this might be a reasonable place to do it, is to have an elevated
lovely, yeah,
walk across here to try to get people out of their cars and so on and come walk and explore.
It's gorgeous.
See the bridge over there?
Yeah.
I hope we'll go across that this afternoon and make a loop around. That's the only bridge across the Sound, and it's 55 miles east to west. That's the only bridge across it.
Wow. That retains, so it's definitely precious isolation as well.
Yeah. This is beautiful shoreline down here. You see the cypress trees are pretty dense there. If you look at an aerial photograph or now a Google Earth photograph, you'll see scallops in the shoreline like this. So what happens is if you have see how relatively high bank that is? And if they hadn't stabilized it, that would keep washing out and falling in. So that part goes further inland, whereas this area and the swamp area is relatively stable. It's losing some ground.